I want to talk about Bitcoin dominance because we just talked about long tail assets and altcoins. And the question is always, when will they start performing better than Bitcoin itself? As you might know, Bitcoin is the benchmark in the crypto space. And as we can see here, basically over the last 12, 18 months, Bitcoin clearly outperformed the rest of the market, as expressed here in this increasing Bitcoin dominance. If we look at previous cycles, once this ratio drops, that is when the altcoin market picks up. And we get a lot of questions of, will it actually happen this time? Or will this be a more Bitcoin-centric bull run? Now, you can make the argument that now with the Bitcoin ETFs in the US, it might be Bitcoin-led. However, I still believe looking at all the stablecoin volume, all the stablecoin supply that is increasing, this is liquidity and money that eventually will flow down to the altcoin sector. What is an indicator to look out for? It's definitely here, the Bitcoin dominance. We see in here one big red candle, but it's really important to look out once we see a trend reversal here, because that means obviously that altcoins perform. All right, so what to expect from the rest of the year? Let's maybe circle back to Bitcoin real quick. We've seen massive inflows into Bitcoin ETFs as well over the last couple of days. And what you can see here is that we now reached over 1 million Bitcoin in these ETFs, meaning all the ETFs, they hold over 1 million Bitcoin. When we started, I think what's quite interesting actually is when we started here in January, when the Bitcoin ETFs got approved, we started at 620,000 Bitcoin in those ETFs. Now we're over 1 million. That means these ETFs have bought up over 350K of Bitcoin. Now, how many Bitcoin are coming in circulation? How many Bitcoin are issued on a yearly basis? It's around 165,000. So obviously there's 3.125 Bitcoin every 10 minutes that are being issued, which is predefined, pre-programmed. If we annualize that, it's around 165,000 Bitcoin, meaning those ETFs already bought twice the annualized issuance of Bitcoin, of new BTC, which is quite fascinating and obviously feeds into this entire kind of supply and demand dynamics at the moment.